In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert sound effects into speech in Elevenlabs. To get started, open Elevenlabs and head to the text-to-speech section from the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will create your spoken audio and add the sound effects directly into the same text prompt. If you are new to this area, don't worry, it's very straightforward once you know where everything is. After you are in the text-to-speech page, look over to the settings panel on the right-hand side. Here, you'll want to choose the model you want to use. Select 11v3, since this model works especially well for audio tags. That matters because audio tags are what allow Elevenlabs to understand when you want a sound effect to appear alongside the spoken narration. Once that's set, go ahead and add your script into the text box. This should be the speech you want the AI to read aloud. The useful part here is that you can place sound effects directly inside that same script, so you don't need to create them separately or edit them in later. To insert a sound effect in Elevenlabs, type a short description of the sound inside square brackets directly into your text prompt. For example, you can write something like dog barking, footsteps, or door slamming. Elevenlabs will read the surrounding text as speech and interpret the words inside the brackets as a sound cue. This makes it easy to build more immersive audio without leaving the platform. A helpful tip is to keep your sound descriptions short and clear. Simple tags usually work better because they're easier for the AI to interpret accurately. Also, place the bracketed sound effect exactly where you want it to happen in the spoken script, so the timing feels natural when the audio is generated. When your script is ready, click Generate Speech. Elevenlabs will process the text and automatically mix the sound effect into the spoken audio. In other words, the narration and the sound cues are combined for you, which can save a lot of time if you are creating videos, stories, demos, or any kind of presentation audio. If the result isn't exactly what you want on the first try, you can adjust the wording of the sound effect tag and generate it again. Small changes in phrasing can sometimes produce better results, and that's it. Thanks for watching.